Let me show you how to make creamy corn soup, Asian style.
You're gonna need 1 big can of cream-style corn. Pour that into a big cooking pot. To that, we're gonna add about 1 liter or 4 cups of chicken stock. Next, add in a few cloves of minced garlic. The more the better, we're big garlic lovers here. A few sliced rehydrated shiitake mushrooms for the extra umami flavor. Turn on the heat to medium-high. Add a tablespoon of light soy sauce or all-purpose soy sauce. A tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. You can also substitute with dry sherry or rice wine. Give it a good stir and cover with a lid. When the soup has come to a boil, lower the heat and pour in the cornstarch slurry. Whisk 2 eggs and gradually pour it in the soup while creating a whirlpool by stirring in a circular motion. This will create a signature ribbony egg mixture in the soup. Add a tablespoon of sesame oil, and season with some white pepper and salt to taste. There you have it, creamy corn egg drop soup. Garnish with some chopped scallions right before serving. Look at that. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you'd like to get notified whenever a new video is up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!